Hello everyone, welcome to Nagesh Karajgi Orchid School. I am Pooja Rajmane. I am your computer teacher. Right? We are studying our lesson number 4. What is the name of lesson? Working with Windows. What is mean by Windows? Windows is an operating system. What we studied in last period? We studied what about a folder, what is mean by folder and what is mean by file. How to create a folder, how to rename the folder, how to create one file, how to rename this file, and what is the icon or what is the uses of this file. Now we will see about our next topic. Next topic is fun with desktop. Fun with desktop. From your page number 30, open your page number 30. Fun with desktop. Changing the appearance of the desktop. How to change the appearance of the desktop? We often like change the book of our by painting the wall or changing the upholstery like bedsheet and curtain to enhance its appearance. Similarly, we can change the desktop to make it look attractive. Means at our home we can change the bed sheet, we can change the curtains. Why? Because we like changes, right? Everyone like changes. We can take different types of clothes also, and we can wear it different types of clothes. Same like that. Similarly, we can change the desktop to make it look attractive. If you want to make it attractive. Now next one is the background of the desktop is called a wallpaper. First screen of window on the monitor is called as a desktop, right? When we start the computer, on the monitor one screen will be displayed. That screen is called as a desktop, and the background of the desktop is called wallpaper. The background of the desktop is called wallpaper. You can change the background through a control panel. We can change the background of this desktop, or we can change the wallpaper by using control panel. Now where is the control panel? We will see here. There are various of the wallpaper design inbuilt on your computer. However, you can also download beautiful wallpaper design from the internet. You can see your father's or mother's mobile having a wallpaper, right? When we unlock the mobile, you can see our your photo on that mobile, or your father mother's photo on that mobile screen. Same like that in computer also. When we start the computer, we can change the background of this desktop. Why? To look it attractive. How to change? Okay. Step to change the wallpaper. Click the start button. Where is the start button? Start button is on desktop, but where? On the taskbar. Means it is on the, where it is on? Yes, no one knows. Start button is at the bottom of the left corner of the desktop. It is our start button, right? How to change this background of this desktop or wallpaper? How to change the wallpaper? Click the start button, then control panel, and then control panel windows will appear. This type of window will be appear, and then we will see how to do it. Firstly, click on the start button. You say step, then I will do. Yes, firstly click on the start button. In start button, which button we have to click? Control panel. Now for clicking which button on the mouse we have to use? Left button. Firstly click on the control panel. Then this type of window will be appear. Now third one is select the personalization icon. Where is the personalization? Read it and tell me. Yes, it is the appearance and personalization. In that we can change the theme, change the desktop background and adjust the screen resolution. Then click here. Then you can see the personalization, changing the theme, change the desktop background, change the sound effect and change the screensaver. What we have to change here now? Change the desktop background. Where is the desktop background option is there? Yes, change the desktop background. Then click here. Then you can see, firstly see it is black color, right? It is black color. You can see, we can take here yellow color, then yellow color here and save change. Understand how to change colors? What is it? It is wallpaper. It is wallpaper. By using, if you want to change the wallpaper, then how we can change? Click the start button, then control panel, then personalization and select the wallpaper which we want. And we can take different wallpaper. If our computer have these are the, and we can browse from our computer also, means somewhere if we keep the some pictures, these pictures also we can keep as a wallpaper. Okay, now we will also change one more color. Which color you can see here? Yellow color. I will do here black color, then click the black color and save change. Okay, understand how to change the background or how to change the wallpaper. Now next one is changing the screensaver. Firstly, what is the use of this screensaver? A screensaver is an animated image that is activated on the computer if the computer is ideal for a certain specified time. Means if we are doing work on the computer, but for some time we are not doing any work on the computer, then computer is go on sleep mode, right? And this sleep mode is showing different image. We can keep like that setting. How to keep this setting? What is the first one? Yes, read it and tell me. Click the start button, then control panel, then also personalization. And what we want now? Change the theme. Which changes we want now? Change the screensaver. Change the screensaver. We can keep here any changes we want, any image we want, then we can keep here. Okay, which minute means how many, after some time the computer will go sleep mode, right? Another window will appear with the setting. You can see here this window will appear on the setting. Select the desired screensaver from the option available. We can select the options. Okay, we can keep any photo or anything, then specify the minute. You can see here these photos, which photo will appear after the computer will go on sleep mode. Specify the minute beside the wait box. For example, 2 minutes means we can write here minutes also. We can change minutes also. 2 minutes we will take here, and then click on the apply. Click on the apply and then click on the OK. Then if we leave the computer idle for 2 minutes, then the selected screen start on the computer. Means if we are not doing work on the computer for 2 minutes, then computer will go on sleep mode. Then this type of, you can see here, this type of images will be appear. Okay, and then last one, click on the OK. Now next one is creating a file or folder using the, understand how to create a wallpaper, how to change the wallpaper, and how to keep the screensaver. Creating a file or folder using the WordPad. If you want, we want to see about the WordPad now, how to create a WordPad file. We studied about the Microsoft, means Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint. Now we will see about the WordPad, how to create a WordPad file. WordPad is also for writing, but it is not like our Microsoft Word, and it is advanced feature of the Notepad. It is advanced feature of the Notepad. Now we will see how to open this WordPad. How to open WordPad. Click the Start button, then All Programs, then Accessories, and then WordPad. Where is the WordPad? Yes, it is the WordPad. Then you can see WordPad is open. How to open the WordPad? Click the Start button, then All Program, then Accessories, and then WordPad. A new blank window appear on our screen. It is our screen, and new one blank document will appear on our screen. Then click on the blank document and type the following text. How to type in a WordPad? We will see here what they told to write. We can type anything. Then we will type here my favorite hobbies. You can see this, it is small, right? If you want to increase the size of this font, then select it and you can increase here from here. Now you can see, yes, my favorite hobbies. Here we can add the numbers, means number for numeric reading book. See here, if I press the enter, then automatically this type of symbol will be come here. Understand how to write and how to add this type of symbols and how to increase the size of this font. These are the fonts. If you want to do any changes, means here we can change the font style also, but for that we must have to select it. If you not select and if you do only, then it is selecting? No. But when you select it, then you can see the changes. See here, you can see the changes. Different font you can see. Now how to save this file? How to save this file? You can see here only two menus are there, home and view. Which menus are there? Home and new. Then how to save it? Click here, this is the WordPad button. Click. Then what we want to do? We want to save as. Click on the save as. Then this type of window will be appear, right? But where we want to save it? we want to save it on the desktop, then we must have to select the path. If we give the name directly, then it will be saved in library, but we want to save it on desktop, then from this side we must have to select the path. Okay, select the path, desktop. From desktop, where we will save in our folder only. Okay, one folder you can see here. Click on the new folder, click on the new folder, it is the new folder. Okay, click on the new folder, then this folder will be come here, right? You can see changes, concentrate here only, then and then you will understand. Then new folder, and new folder is appear. Now we will give our name. I will give here Rita, R-I-T-A. How to give name? We stated before only. Then okay, now double click on that. Double click where we want to store it on the in the Rita folder. Then you can see here file name. File name, if we give proper file name, then we afterwards we get it easily. We will give here my favorite hobbies. Okay, and then click on the save. Then this is saved here. This file what we given is displayed on our title bar. This file is displayed on title bar. This is the title bar. It is title bar. This file is displayed. What name we was given? We are given now. What name we are given now? It is displayed on here, title bar. It is title bar. It is menu bar, because there are it displayed the menu, that's why it is called as a menu bar. And it is WordPad button. It is WordPad button. If you want to take a new file, then also we can take from here. If you want to open the already exit file, then also we can open from here. Next one is if you want to save, that time also we can save from the WordPad button. And if you want to do save as, that time also we can use this button. Next one is a print. If you want this, what we write here, if you want this on page, that time print option is useful, right? That time which option is useful? Print option is useful. Understand how to create a Word document and how to save the Word document. We will save here. Now we will open it. Okay, where is the Rita folder? You can see. Yes, show me where is the Rita. Yes, it is the Rita. And how to open it? Double click on the which button? Left button. Continuously double click. Then which name we given? Yes, we given only my folder. Sorry, my favorite hobbies. It is there or no? Yes, you can see here it is there. Now if you want to open this, now we don't know where we keep this file and what we wrote in that folder. I was done it before that, and if you want to open it and if you want to see it, then how to see this? Firstly click on the start button, then all program, then accessories, and then WordPad. Here also one blank document you can see, but if we want to open the already exit file, if you want to open already exit file, then how to open it? Click on the which button? Yes, click on the WordPad button and then open. Where we stored this file? On the desktop. Which folder is there after in desktop? Yes, Rita, and this my favorite hobbies. Click here and open. Right? We write that only, na? Yes or no? Yes. My favorite hobbies: reading books, listening to music. Now Western dance. Next one is a table. Now we will see how to change the alignment. These are the alignment. Which alignment it is now? Already it is in a left alignment. It is the which alignment it is? It is center alignment. Afterwards it is right alignment, and it is justify alignment. Then what I told, if you want to do any changes, firstly we have to select it. Now if we click here, then you can see the changes. These all what we write now, these all come in a which format? Center format. Not left side, not right side. These all come in a center format. When I press this this right alignment, then this all will go on, yes, on the right side. This all will go in right side. Okay. Next one is a justify. Means all lines are in one format. Means starting is from single one line. Starting is from one line. Good. Now here you can see B. B means what? Bold. If you want to dark the folder, that time we are using the B. Okay. You can see change in this font and this font. It is looking dark. Dark means what? Bold. Now next one is, if you want to do italic. Italic means what? See the changes. This is bold. This is italic. Right? And next is a U means what? Yes, U means underline. U means underline. Bold, italic, underline. And we can give color to that font. How to? This is text font, and you can give. See here, these all are not changing. Why? Why these all fonts are not changing? Because I have selected only this line. That's why these only fonts are changing. You can see. And we'll change the font style here. Understand difference? Font style I use here. Here which? Bold. Here italic. Here underline. And here I use what I use here? I use font color. Here also we can do same like that. Our folder and file we can cut, copy, we can do paste also, and we can say we will do here. If you want this same in downside, if you want same in downside, then what it means? It is cut or paste or copy or paste. It is means copy and paste. I want to keep this same here also and downside also. Then select it and press on the copy. Press on the copy, and where we want this now? Downside. Then click on the paste. You can see this same is here also and this same is here also. Got it? What is mean by copy and paste? Means the same thing is here also and downside also, means it is not moved, it is not deleted from here. Now we will see what is meant by cut and paste. If you don't want this with book reading, if you don't want this book reading here, if you don't want, because book reading is downside also, by using copy and paste we can do another copy of these given or selected documents, but we don't want these reading books here. Then which button we have to do here, which option we have to click here? Cut. Then it is cut from here, and afterwards when we press here and when we click on the paste, then this same copy will be come downside. Same copy will become downside. Understand what is meant by cut and paste, what is meant by copy and paste. Copy means what? We can do duplication more than one time. Cut means what? It is cut from first side and it will be copy on another location or another side. How to save it? And view option display this, zoom in, zoom out, ruler bar, status bar, and it is WordPad button. If you want to take new, then we can get new document and save. Why we have to keep, because already we done save, but afterwards we done these changes, right? That's why we must have to save it again. Okay, got it? How to do these changes? How to create a Word document? Understand? And here also my favorite hobbies is there. Again we can give the different name. To that file. Where it is on the desktop, we can store this same file in our which folder? Rita, and we will give your name only hobbies. And then click on the save. Okay, you can see here hobbies. This file is saved in Rita. We can see before file is there or no. Hobbies is also there and my favorite hobbies is also there. Now how to delete this? File? Click the right button and then click the delete option. Then this file will be deleted. Okay? Understand how to delete it. Now what is the homework for you? We finish our lesson number 4. In next period we will solve the skill sheet. And what is the homework for you? You must have to read the lesson number 4 and underline the hard words. Okay, thank you.